Here's where it gets really fun. We're going to take the cookies out of the oven, and we're going to put the fortunes in and fold them up. And that's where the gloves come in, because we're going to be handling the hot cookies straight out of the oven with our bare hands. So we want to put these gloves on. And if you make a mistake and you take the cookies out and they cool off and they won't bend, you can always put them back in the oven and warm them up and make them more pliable. So I'm just going to do them one at a time. I'm going to take the cookie out of the oven, lay it on my hand, and put my fortune on it. And then I'm just going to fold it in half and fold it over the mug. And that's the classic fortune cookie shape that you're used to. And now we have the muffin tin here because the cookies, while they're warm, will not retain this shape. They'll spread out and they'll just be like a half moon. So in order for them to keep their shape, we cool them in the muffin tin, and it's just the perfect size. Let's do another one. Take the cookie out of the oven. We'll put the fortune on, fold it in half, and fold it over the mug. And there you have it.